In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox in Monday.com. Adding a checkbox column in Monday.com is a simple yet powerful way to track progress, confirm tasks, and streamline your workflow. It provides a clear, visual indicator of completion or status, helping your team stay organized and on track. Whether you're overseeing a large project, managing daily to-dos, or simply need a quick way to mark items as complete, the checkbox column is an indispensable tool for clear communication and efficient tracking. Let's dive in and see how easy it is to set this up. Our first step is to head over to your desired Monday.com board. On the specific board where you wish to add this functionality, locate the Add Column button. This button is usually found towards the right side of your existing columns, often represented by a plus sign icon or explicitly labeled Add Column. Clicking this button will open up a comprehensive menu showcasing all the various column types available for integration into your board. Monday.com provides a wide array of options, from text and numbers to status and date fields. For our current objective, we're seeking a straightforward yet effective way to track task completion. After selecting Add Column, a detailed list of column types will appear. You'll see various options like status, person, date, numbers, and many more. Scroll through this list, or use the search function if available, until you pinpoint the checkbox column type. This particular column is designed for binary states, a simple yes or no, true or false, or completed versus pending. It's ideal for marking tasks as finished, acknowledging an action, or indicating an item has been reviewed. Once you've identified checkbox, simply click on it. The system will then seamlessly add this new column to your board, typically on the far right. But remember, you always have the flexibility to drag and rearrange columns to suit your preferred layout and visibility. Now that your checkbox column has been integrated into the board, you'll observe a series of empty boxes or cells beneath this new column header, corresponding to each item or task on your board. To activate it, simply click on any of these empty cells within the checkbox column for the relevant item you wish to mark. The instant you click, a distinct check mark will materialize within that cell. This clearly signifies that the task or item has been completed, confirmed, or whatever specific binary status you've assigned to it.